Thoughts and Notions, Unit 2, Lesson 3, Tarahumara Foot Races. The Tarahumara live in the mountains in the state of Chihuahua in northern Mexico. This is an area of high mountains and deep tropical valleys. It sometimes snows in the mountains in winter. There are not many roads. The Tarahumara walk wherever they need to go. They carry heavy baskets on their backs. Perhaps this is why the Tarahumara can run many kilometers without getting tired. They are excellent runners and they like to organize races. When the men race, they kick a wooden ball ahead of them while they run. Before they start racing, they plan where and how long they will run. They might run just a few minutes, or they might run for several hours. Sometimes they run in teams, and sometimes each person runs as an individual. The women's races are similar, except that the women do not kick a ball. They throw a wooden hoop in front of them with a stick. A hoop is a ring or a circle. The Tarahumara play other games and sports. However, they are famous because they can run so fast and so far.